Na?
Ano ba yung binili mo? Important?
Kasi sayang yung 25%.
This naman eh, new.
Hoodie. Di ba yung pinakita ko sa'yo nun? Hoodie and jog pants.
Now it should just come out. Nike, and we're gonna see.
Oh, nice. Tayo ka nga. Try mo. I like the color. I like the color. XL na.
That's way. That's
Hindi,
way.
XL na. Sakto lang, lalaki ka na. Kasi yung binili ko doon, binili natin sa Nike dati, large yun.
Okay. Okay, so I have.
Hack.
And then I just pull it out.
Starring pa si Pin. Ang bilis.
Put the
Mamaya na.
shrimp on the side.
Wow!
Sweater.
Parang gagamitin yata ni Daddy yan.
Thank you for saying that. Now he's going to definitely.
Patingin ni ganun mo.
Now Daddy's gonna
front.
definitely do it. Oh, there's a hood. There's a thing.
Hoodie nga. God, maganda. Next. Green. Your favorite.
The green clothing, but the same thing. So I just pierce a hole, and then.
Yeah, imbes nga na nasa 689 to, nasa 300
Oh, that's
plus
cool.
29 yata. Oh, ang ganda oh, Daddy, tamo.
And then you're gonna use it.
Green, green grass. Oh. Ganun mo nga, spread mo.
Yes.
Ganun mo. Yung harap, bra. Al. Okay. Suot mo nga. Try mo. I-try mo suotin.
I know. Oh wait, it's not on the like my jacket. I have to put it.
Laki mo na.
I cannot see. My eyes are. Wow.
Wow, comfy.
Yes.
Hindi siya masikips. Okay, you're going back na.
Okay. Okay.
Don't you?
Okay.
Oh, next. Okay. Halo ka.
Now here's it.
Come on.
Move ka nga dyan. Mahulog.
Now it's the pants, the green pants.
Mm-mm.
Females.